Oh, hey guys.
Hey Mom, look, the boys are back in town.
Let me just get on over here. Tanner, what are we doing today?
It's rebuild day.
It's rebuild day. We have all of our gaskets. We have a nice greased up motor block. Nice and pretty down in there. Nice and earled up. Now it's time to rebuild.
Yeah.
Let's get to it. As we got started, the first gasket we ran into is the oil filtration gasket, and we had to make a few little minor changes to that one. The one that they sent us was too long and it wouldn't fit over the bolts, but hopefully Tanner has that cut to perfection. Nope, a little bit more. Let's get back to that time. With the gasket on for the pump, we are going to now get the oil pan cleaned up and put on. Oil pan on. Now to flip it over and start with heads. We have the head on, head gasket on, and then we have our head bolts all in there as well. Those are going to be torqued down to 25 foot-pounds and then 2 90-degree turns. So now we're going to get the next one on. Camshafts are in. I don't have the whatever those are called. It's slipping my hand or slipping my mind, but I have them on here. I need to put them on here. We need to torque them down. Water pump is on. Header on this side on, and we're working on that side. Ba, 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 ba. I wish it would just finish itself sometimes, but it's fun. We're getting there. Well, Tanner, we are looking at the camshafts all in. All your bolts are going to be torqued down to 12 foot-pounds, and you can find them online very easy on the diagram on how to do it. But you go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 such on for the rest of them. With those all in, now we got to put the valley in and the valve cover gaskets, and then it's time to go. But first, we gotta cook some din-din.
While we had a great dinner, unfortunately, while I was cooking, I didn't get to film any of Tanner putting on the valve cover gaskets, the valve covers, the fuel rail, or the valley. Now, all those bolts will be tightened down to spec. I believe it's just 12 foot-pounds for all of them, which it isn't super difficult to do, but we got them all put back together, and then once we got it all done, we hopped over to the air intake. Back to it.
We are wrapping up this motor. We have the intake on. We got the upper intake to put on, but this is pretty much getting where we want it to be. It's real close. Now the last step we have on this engine is attaching all the wiring harness all back up, which I have put majority of it back into place. Some of it is the ECU, some of it is the air intake, some of it's other stuff. Right now, this is as built as this engine is gonna get. So thank you guys for watching this video on the rebuild, and come back to see it go back in the Toyota pickup. Have a good one.